Alright guys, welcome back to another video. And in today's video, if you guys missed the last one, you guys know why I'm in Audi, but yeah, it's 6-speed. If you guys missed the last video, but I've cleaned the interior out. Looks really clean. Love this car so much already. But it's not about this car today. Just picked up my hybrid racing clutch master cylinder with the slave. Has everything. It has the slave, steel braided lime, banjo washers. It got everything. Very well spent. Money well spent. But we're gonna go try to put this on, get this onto the car so I can have my Civic back on the road again. Made it home. Love this car so much. Slave is off. That slave looks pretty damn new though compared to all of the shit that's on though, right? Shout out to my boy Abdul for pulling up though. Fixing the F85 today. So we took the pedal off. Well, my friend Lenny took the pedal off, but yeah guys, if you're running a stage 4 clutch on your car, make sure you get this pedal welded and reinforced first before you do so, because this will happen. This is my second pedal, so taking it to Una Fabrication in Yonkers to get it welded, reinforced and everything. It's gonna cost me around 150 bucks, but it's sort of like buying a new pedal, brand new pedal. Brand new pedals at Honda are like $220, I believe. I could be wrong though, but there it is right there. Everything is literally taken apart already. Look at the cars they have here. Beautiful Evo. They got this supercharged SI they're giving away. 70,000 miles. About to see if I could go in the giveaway. That they giving away. My dumb ass into the giveaway. Wow. A 2010 Civic SI, 70,000 miles. Car makes 430, 70,000 miles. Car is incredible. Yeah, if I win this shit, mine is going for sale. Off the rip. Wow, the back is immaculate, and it got the WeatherTech Civic floor mats. Wow. First time driving a 9th gen Civic SI. Already in love. Hopefully we can rip some tech. Rip some tech. We got my twin here.
With the e-brake up?
With the e-brake? He's wildin'. Literally my twin, but his way cleaner. That's the 9th gen I just drove. Oh, what?
Get it on him.
Okay.
Get it on him crazy.
Yo, he's flexing on everybody right now. New CMC is on. Bleeding the clutch right now. Got a new pedal. Well, not a new pedal. It's been welded and reinforced. Hold it. Hold it. Uh-huh. Got my boy Lenny. Finally getting pressure. There was so much air in the system, but we're getting pressure. Oh yeah, pressure coming back. Hold the pedal?
Nah, come on.
Okay, I'm off.
Pressure hold.
Let's go. I was scared. Pedal is bled. We're about to jump start. Shout out to my girl for the booster pack. Huh? Now we put in the new Honda battery. Don't buy Duralast if you plan on going away for 10 days. Don't do it. Mine was a February 2022 and it literally shit the bed. But now we got a Honda one. Ooh, damn, that type was nice. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. To be honest, I'm very pissed that I replaced the CMC, the slave, the lines. I replaced everything and I'm still having the exact same issues where my car is just locking out of every gear. So I'm thinking it's my clutch or the pressure plate, one of those two. But I'm not about to drop the subframe just to replace the pressure plate. Like, I might as well just change the clutch, you know, because my clutch disc could probably be fine, but the pressure plate itself is no good, or they welded together or something. I'm not sure what exactly happened, or my throttle bearing is probably no good. But I'm not gonna drop the subframe just to change one little thing. I'm gonna just change all of it. So yeah, I'm in my tow truck right now, obviously. Just very pissed. So I'm gonna go with an Action Stage 2 clutch. Because the problem is me, to be honest. I try to daily drive a Civic with a Stage 4 clutch, and I be in traffic every single day that I drive the car. So I might as well just get a clutch that could handle being in traffic, and you know. So yeah, very annoyed. It's only this Mercedes right here, but yeah, man. Hope you guys enjoyed this short little video. Next video, I would probably just review the Hybrid Racing Clutch Master Cylinder and Slave and the Action clutch. So yeah, man, like the video, subscribe to the channel.